Hi, Health Journey family. Welcome back to the channel where we discover the most natural and effective ways to live our healthiest lives. Are you working on building muscle, toning your body, or simply improving your overall strength? You probably think of protein shakes and gym workouts as the only solutions. But did you know that the fruits you eat can play a significant role in muscle growth? In today's video, we're diving into 6 fruits that help in muscle growth. These fruits aren't just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that fuel your body, enhance recovery, and maximize muscle building. So, grab a notebook and get ready to add these powerhouse fruits to your grocery list. And before we jump in, if you're as passionate as I am about health and fitness, hit that like button, subscribe to Health Journey, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our weekly wellness tips. Let's get started. 1. Bananas. Bananas are the ultimate pre- and post-workout snack. Packed with potassium, they help prevent muscle cramps and maintain proper hydration, crucial for effective workouts. Bananas also contain fast-digesting carbs, giving your body the energy it needs to power through a tough session. Think of bananas as nature's energy bar, easy to carry, delicious, and packed with the nutrients your muscles crave. Do you eat bananas before or after your workout? Let me know in the comments below. 2. Oranges. Oranges are more than just a refreshing snack. They're a vitamin C powerhouse. This vitamin doesn't just boost your immune system, it's also crucial for collagen production, which helps repair muscles and connective tissues after a workout. Oranges also contain natural sugars, which can help replenish glycogen stores after intense exercise. Imagine slicing into a juicy orange post-workout and feeling instantly refreshed while giving your muscles exactly what they need to recover. Add orange slices to your water for a hydrating and muscle-repairing drink. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a summertime treat. It's a muscle-building gem. Rich in citrulline, an amino acid that enhances blood flow, watermelon can help your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients during and after a workout. This improves endurance and speeds up recovery. Picture this: enjoying a slice of cold watermelon on a hot day after your workout, knowing it's not just delicious, but also helping your muscles grow stronger. 4. Avocados. Yes, avocados are technically a fruit. They're rich in healthy fats and potassium, which help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise. Plus, their high-calorie content makes them perfect for those looking to gain muscle mass. Think of avocados as the fuel that keeps your muscle-building engine running smoothly. Spread them on toast, add them to a smoothie, or eat them plain with a sprinkle of salt. What's your favorite way to eat avocado? Share your recipes in the comments. 5. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Berries are antioxidant superstars. When you work out, your muscles experience oxidative stress, and these antioxidants help combat that damage. Berries also contain natural sugars that provide energy and fiber to support digestion and nutrient absorption. Imagine blending a handful of berries into a smoothie and knowing you're giving your body the tools it needs to repair and grow. Studies have shown that blueberries can reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time after intense exercise. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple is another tropical treasure for muscle growth. It's rich in bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and aids digestion. By improving protein digestion, pineapple ensures your body gets the maximum muscle-building benefit from your meals. Picture this: adding fresh pineapple chunks to your post-workout meal and feeling the bromelain work its magic in helping your muscles recover. Pair pineapple with your favorite protein source for a powerful recovery snack. And there you have it, 6 fruits that can supercharge your muscle growth journey. Remember, building muscle isn't just about lifting weights or drinking protein shakes. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients, and these fruits are here to help you every step of the way. Which of these fruits are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's on their fitness journey, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Journey for more tips like these. Until next time, keep striving, stay healthy, and make every bite count.